What is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video, it's actually going to be Mill Hustles actually unboxing a smartwatch for you. It's from the company BLU, so it's a little bit different. So this is the unboxing. Go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you want to see other than Little John in the background for this unboxing or the further review of the content. So let's go ahead and get right into it. And thank you again, Mill Hustles, and follow him everywhere on his social media. Links down below.
Hey guys, it's your boy Mill Hustles with the Magic Tech Review family, and today we bring something new to the channel that I don't think we've had in a while. It's a smartwatch unboxing. This is the BLU X-Link, which is their budget smartwatch. I paid about $60 for it, got it through Amazon.com on their Prime program, and I'm really excited to try it out. So let's go ahead and get this underway. Alright, here's the box itself, as you saw a little earlier. Nice little stripe loop kind of design. In the back there is specs and the content that's actually included. I'm not going to read it, but I'm just going to leave the camera there for a few seconds. And the reason I'm not going to read it is because I have no idea how this thing works. So it's literally a case of the blind leading the blind. Okay. There's information up here. Get this underway. Okay, a little bit of struggle here because I'm doing this one-handed. Okay, nice little bold like us, hashtag bold like us. There's the website, blueproducts.com. I have no idea what that means. If anybody wants to tell me. Made in China as usual. Alright, let's get this out of here. And here is the watch itself. Looks pretty nice for something that I paid a really good price for. Hopefully it performs. Got a little pleather feeling kind of band to it. Got the usual knot here. Got the branding, the BLU branding. There's IMEI, SIM card number. Let's go ahead and dig a little deeper. See what we got in here. Okay, looks like we got a micro USB cable. Okay, BLU sticker, you know, put it on the box, put it on your notepad or wherever you want. Typical books, things like that, shit nobody ever reads. And more of the same information that was originally on the box. Alright guys, if you enjoy this content, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share. We'll be coming back with a video a little later with an initial setup to see how this thing actually works. Thanks a lot.